everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a makeup tutorial of this look. This is a quick and easy warm golden eye look, and I have kept two lip options for this look, and this one is the bold lip and the next one is the nude lip, and both of these lips look really nice with this eye look. You can just opt for any one of this lip shade and it will just rock this look. So if you want to know how to create this look, then please continue watching. For the foundation, I am using the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 2.5. This is the exact match for my skin tone, and blending it out with the help of Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. For the concealer, I am using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and putting it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and blending it with the brush. To set my face, I am using L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact in the shade N6 Nude Honey. I will do my eyes now, and for this, I am using the Bad Habit After Dark palette, which is said to be the exact dupe for the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, and I am taking the shade Cheeky, which is a peachy toned brown shade, and putting it in my crease. Now I will take the shade Sleep Dress, which is a burnt orange shade, and again blending it into my crease. This is the shade Crush on Me, which is a pinky red shade, and I am putting it into the outer 2/3 of my lid. Now I will go with the shade Arousal, which is a dark brown shade, and putting it into the outermost corner of my eyes. This is 24 karat and this is a gorgeous golden shade, and with the help of fingers I will just pat it on my lid. I will just blend all the colors together with the help of a clean blending brush. To tightline my upper and lower waterline, I am using the INCOLOR Gel Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black. For the lower lash line, I am taking the shade Slip Dress followed by the shade Crush on Me and the shade Arousal into the outermost corner of the lower lash line. For the eyeliner, I am taking the ELENBLU Precision Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Ebony Black, and I am just drawing out a regular wing. For the mascara, I am using my favorite mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I will just coat my lashes with it. For contouring, I am using Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade Top Topper, and put it into my hollows of my cheeks. For the blush, I am using SIVANNA Colors Duo Baked Blush, and this is a very good blush. For the highlighter, I am using the Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlighter in the shade Liquid Champagne, and dot it on the highest points of my cheeks with the help of fingers. And to top this highlighter out, I am using this highlighter shade from the Sugar Contour de Force palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit to highlight. The first lip option, I am using the shade 03 GUWA HOTTIE of the NYKAA Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick, and this is a gorgeous rusty orange shade and will go very nicely with this eye look. So you can see this is the finished first look, and it looks really nice with this eye look. For the second lip option, I am choosing the shade Lacy Luck from the NYKAA Mattelicious Lip Crayon, and it's a great nude shade and will also look very nice with this eye look. You can just wear this shade as well. And I really like how it turned out. I hope you like this, guys. This is really a wearable look, and if you just like it and if you just love this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye.